If you've been looking at laser levels online, you've probably seen terms like pivot around the point, fixed point pivot alignment, or fine adjustment. Different brands use different names, but they are often describing the same feature, keeping the cross point locked in place while the line rotates. Laser levels have always focused on two things: accuracy and durability. But once those basics are covered, the next improvement is efficiency. So today, let's break it down. What exactly is this feature? How does it actually save time? And why is it so useful when you're working alone? Right now, I have two laser levels on the table. One laser with fixed point pivot alignment, and one standard laser with a fixed base. Both of them project a cross line from the laser windows, but the way they adjust alignment is very different. Normally, when people try to align 2 points, they'll line up the reference point first, and then try to bring the line to the target point. But with a standard laser, it's really hard to keep that first point locked in place. The moment you move the laser, the entire cross shifts. So when one side lines up, the other side goes out. If you want both points aligned at the same time, you basically have to place the laser down already perfectly positioned. And in real life, that rarely happens. Now let's look at fixed point pivot alignment. With this feature, you can rotate the vertical line itself without moving the reference point. Watch the cross point carefully. During the entire adjustment process, the center point stays locked in place. It's almost like a radar. The center locks onto the reference point, while the line scans toward the target. Now let's bring this to a real job site. Imagine you're building a partition wall. Usually you need 2-point alignment. So here I marked my reference point and the target point over there. With a traditional laser level, sometimes you get it right quickly, but other times it takes several tries. Especially when you're working alone. You walk back and forth, sometimes even up and down a ladder just to check if both points line up. But with the new feature, the workflow changes. First, I roughly position the laser in the right direction. Then I make sure the cross point aligns with my reference mark. After that, I walk over to the target point and use the remote control to rotate the laser. As the line gets close to the target, I switch to slow rotation mode for fine adjustment. And that's it. The reference point stays locked, while the alignment moves exactly where I need it. No walking back to reset the tool. It's a simple change, but on real job sites, it can save a surprising amount of time. Especially helpful when you're working alone. If you're looking for this feature, Huepar currently offers it on 2 models, HX03 with remote control, 703TR, receiver and remote control in one, even with automatic alignment feature. Same accuracy, less walking, less climbing, less time lining things up. Just faster alignment the way it should be. And if you have questions, drop them in the comments below.